siya guys. Check natin ang kahintang ng ilaw nito. Ba't di nagana? Tingnan natin. So gamitan natin ng on. Tapos blinker natin. So hindi siya nagana. Ito lang naman left side. Ito nagana. So ito hindi nagana. So nagana natin ito. Nagana natin. Supply muna. Tingnan muna natin kung itong ano. Itong gamit natin tester. Ayan, may 12 volts siya, may supply. Goods. So, palitan natin. Tingnan naman natin yung kanyang signal. Magkakaroon ng signal. Teka lang, hirap mag-ano ng sundutin na natin ito ng tapos tingnan natin yun, may signal din, meron siya. So yun, so ibig sabihin sira ang LED light nito. Dito papalit tayo dito. Ito natin gaya nito, ang ilaw dapat siya sa signal. Tingnan natin yung left, right side na gana. Oh. So itong isa hindi na gana. So ito hindi siya napapalitan ng bulb kasi LED siya. So assembly to papalitan mga bro. Blinker. So guys, tawagan natin ang tech case about sa ating kine-check na headlight. Tawagan natin kung hingi tayo ng approval kung papalitan natin. Okay.
Good morning, Chico. You through to Scott? How can I help?
Yes, good morning, sir. This is Mark
Hi.
from Naura South Auto Group. I have a tech case here. That
Yep.
headlight not working. Blinker.
Yep.
So there's a tech case. I need only approval. I already checked and did update the tech case.
Yeah, what's the tech case number?
90826.
2620. Look, I'll jump into that case now and get and respond to it, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Give me about 5 minutes, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thanks, mate. Cheers. Bye.
Tayo lang natin daw. 5 minutes. Yeah, sorry. 5 minutes daw. 5 minutes. Abangan natin guys.
I'm guessing it's next weekend. She said that she's hoping to get it.
Ito yung ating
I said 11 o'clock.
sinend.
Probably next week, so it's Tuesday.
Ito yung sinend natin yung video.
Basically just needs
Kailangan natin yan, mag-send tayo ng video sa kanila para
But she said we're
meron tayong mga katunayan ba.
yeah.
So, hintayin lang natin reply niya.
1,000 years later.
So yan, tingnan natin doon. Tingnan natin kung nagana na. Tingnan natin ang headlight. So, i-blinker na lang natin para sigurado. So yan, nagana. Right? So ito, nagana na. Good na.